So we open up PyCharm, and now you want to begin coding an algorithm that imports a data set and creates a trains an algorithm and then predicts data. So how are you going to do it? Well, we can come over here and go to new project, and then we can call this data science. I'll just call it data. And then here's the important part is the interpreter, right? It's probably going to be using this interpreter here, which is the interpreter that has Pygame and all of the different modules that we use for the intro to coding class. And that's not what we need for our data science projects. What we need for data science projects is NumPy, Pandas, scikit-learn, and all these other things. So what you're going to do is come here and go to add local. And then up here, I think you can go to Anaconda 2. Yes, so then we go here, and then we go to bin, and then you come down to Python 2.7, 2.7 right here, and we say open. So that's what you should see. It's going to refresh the package. I'm going to say OK, create the project. Say OK. And I think we gotta wait while it's updating the indices. So then from here we're gonna right click and say new Python file. I'll call it test. And then from here we can check by running an import numpy and hit enter. And you can see it's not underlined red, so we do have access to it. Another way to check is if you go to PyCharm, you go to preferences. And then under editors, I believe, no. Under version control, nope. Okay, project data, you go to interpreter. And then it's going to list all of the different modules that are associated with this interpreter. Right, that's found in Anaconda, bin. And once it does finally load, you'll see that all of the necessary libraries, all the necessary modules that we need are already pre-installed with Anaconda, so no need to worry about not having tutorial, right? Let's see, let's just check for pandas. Pandas is right there, right? NumPy is right there, and so we got a whole bunch of other ones as well. So you can come over here and you can just start coding. And I guess another thing I want to mention is if you are doing this at home and you want to have the same environment, you can type into Google Anaconda and you can go to download. You can download Anaconda for free, install it, and then when you open up PyCharm on your side and you run through all of these steps, you'll have a folder called Anaconda 2, and then you'll have bin inside of that, and you have Python 2.7, and you'll have this same setup at home. So good luck with that.